You've been thinking about moving to Brantford, Ontario, and you're not exactly sure what you can get between $600,000 and $700,000 when it comes to purchasing a house. Well, you're in luck, because in this video, I'm going to show you 4 houses in 2 different neighborhoods within this price range. We're also going to take a little drive around the neighborhood so you can see exactly what it would be like if you were to live in this community. So let's get to it right now. If this is your first time to the channel, my name is Jeff Musey. I am a local real estate agent here in Brantford, Ontario, and I help people just like you move to this city every single day, and I absolutely love it. So whether you're moving in 9 days or 90 days, reach out, give me a call. My contact information is in the description below. I'd be happy to help you make a smooth move to Brantford. Okay guys, we are here in our very first neighborhood, and this is the Lynden Hills neighborhood, and more specifically I'm at JC Sports Complex, which has a bunch of baseball fields, and it actually has a skate park for the kids. But this neighborhood is located in the northeast end of Brantford, and it is one of the most highly sought after areas in this city, and that's mainly because of its close proximity to the highway. You're about 5 minutes away from the highway. You also are really close to Lynden Park Mall and the new Costco that is going to be built there within the next year, which makes you really close to everything you could ever need. You are close to a few schools, both Catholic and public schools. So this makes this community a great area to raise a family. So let's go take a look at our first house. Okay guys, we are here at our very first listing, and this is a 4-bedroom 2-washroom raised bungalow. It was built in the 1989 with a lot size of about 51 by 108. It has about 2,037 square feet of living space, and it is listed at $599, which puts it about $294.50 a square foot. And it is actually this house right behind me here, and it is actually has a lot of upgrades. It has a new roof, a new furnace, a new AC. It's freshly painted on the inside. It's a fresh concrete patio and new fencing, and it is a great property that's not going to last very long. But let's take a quick drive through this neighborhood so you know exactly what it would be like if you wanted to live here. Okay guys, we are just down the street from the second home in the Lynden Hills neighborhood. Now this is a 4-bedroom, 2-washroom, 2-story house built in 1979. It's sitting on a lot size about 45 feet by 100 feet with about 1,614 square feet of living space, listed at $689,999, which puts us at about $427.50 per square feet. And it is actually this house right behind me. I don't know if you can see it because there's a big tree covering the front, but it has been tastefully updated. It has a large bay window, and it has a large pool in the backyard, which is going to be perfect for the hot summer days that are coming up. So let's take a quick drive through this neighborhood so you can see exactly what it would be like if you decided to move here. Hey guys, we are here in the second neighborhood that we are going to check out, and this is the Brierpark Brier neighborhood. It is located in the north central area of Brantford, and people absolutely love living here, and there's no reason why they are wrong. This place is absolutely stunning. You are 5 minutes away from the highway. You are close to Lynden Park Mall and the new Costco that is going to be built. You are close to a Walmart, along with other shops and other restaurants, making this place very accessible. You also have a few public schools and a few Catholic schools to choose from for sending your kids to school. It is a very family friendly neighborhood, and a lot of people love to move in here and never move out. So let's go check out our very first home. Okay, so we are actually just down the street from the very first listing we're going to take a look at in the Brierpark Brier neighborhood. Now this is a 4-bedroom, 2-washroom, back split, built in the late 1970s, early 1980s. It's sitting on a lot size of about 48 by 106. It has about 1,191 square feet, and it is actually, this house right behind me right here is listed at $669,900, which works out to about $394 a square foot. It is a little dated on the inside, but it has been well taken care of. It is move-in ready, and you don't have to do any renovations right away, but you can add your own style when you move in over time if you need to. So let's go take a quick drive through this neighborhood so you know exactly what it would be like to live in this neighborhood. Okay guys, we are here at the next house in the Brierpark Brier neighborhood. This is actually a 4-bedroom, 2-washroom bungalow located on a quiet court at the end on a large pie-sized lot. It's actually one of the largest lots on the street. You're looking at about 2,026 square feet. It is actually this cute little bungalow right behind me. It is listed at $699,900, which works out to be about $345.45 per square foot. But the inside is absolutely stunning. It's an open concept kitchen, living room area, and the backyard is absolutely stunning. You have a hot tub and a pool, perfect for the hot summer days that are coming up. So let's take a quick drive through this neighborhood so you can see exactly what it would be like to live in this neighborhood. If you like this video, then you're going to want to watch this video right here where I go over something cool about Brantford.